So I found 3 remote accounts payable jobs that could pay up to $50 per hour depending on the job you take, and one of these jobs doesn't require any experience. So if you're just getting started in accounts payable, this might be a really good opportunity for you. So as you probably know, basically when you're doing accounts payable, you're paying the bills on behalf of the company you're working for. But really there's more to it than that, as you'll see as we get into the details of these jobs. So the first job comes to us from Ferguson. They sell plumbing supplies, HVAC products, and building supplies to professional contractors and homeowners. They're looking for an accounts payable coordinator. This is an entry-level position. It's full-time, and you can do it remotely anywhere within the United States. However, they tell us this is a hybrid position if you're located in the Newport News, Virginia area. So I'm going to scroll down this job lead to show you how much they pay, which is between $15 and $20.63 per hour. As an accounts payable coordinator, you'll enter vendor invoices, match invoices to purchase orders, and calculate payment terms. So in other words, you'll ensure invoice images and supporting documents are accurate. You'll enter invoice details into Ferguson's ERP by using accounts payable 3-way match process. You'll calculate and apply accurate payment terms to vendor invoice entries and accurately bill customers for products and services. You'll review entries for duplication, provide support at month-end as well as mid-year and year-end close, and provide unparalleled customer service to both internal and external customers. And you'll do all that while abiding by all policies, rules, and regulations of the company, including all applicable safety rules, regulations, and procedures. So they're not asking for any experience in this position. In fact, they tell us accounts payable experience is preferred. Now, it's just preferred, it's not required. But if you have any accounts payable experience, you can earn closer to the $20 an hour salary. They'd like you to have a basic understanding of accounting concepts through coursework or proven experience, and they'd like you to have experience with inventory cycle count and or receiving and shipping discrepancy resolution. You're able to maintain a high accuracy rate, and you're able to work in a fast-paced environment with performance metrics. You're organized, you can prioritize your work, you have proficient data entry and 10 key skills. You're able to recall information needed for quick decision-making and critical thinking. You can navigate software programs such as Outlook, Word, Excel, and Teams, and it's a plus you have experience with Oracle. So this is the first remote accounts payable position. It's entry level. It pays between $15 and $20.63 per hour. If you like this one, you can find the direct link in the description below this video. This is job number 1. The second remote accounts payable job comes to us from Liquidity Services, and they operate a network of e-commerce auction marketplaces. And right now they have an opening for an accounts payable specialist level 1. This is a full-time remote position. You can do this job anywhere within the United States. And I'm going to scroll down this job lead to see if they tell us how much they pay. And I don't see it here, so I had to do a little bit of research. So I turned to their profile on Glassdoor, and scrolling down this profile page, we can see they have paid accounts payable specialists about $23 per hour. But there's no way I can guarantee that's how much you'll make. You'll have to work that out with them when negotiating your salary, but at least you have a starting point. So going back to the job lead, in this position you'll be responsible for processing accounts payable, auditing employee expense reports, you'll do some daily cash management, and monthly reconciliations for a large online government surplus auction service. So on a day-to-day basis, you'll do the daily cash management reconciliation in the Oracle system. You'll code and process AP invoices and process weekly AP payment batches. You'll audit employee expense reports, do some monthly bank and AP reconciliations and analysis, prepare monthly American Express journal entries and review for necessary reclass entries, track outstanding checks, and work with client services on reissues. You'll also assist in providing audit requests and monthly variance explanations, and work with managers to confirm all monthly AP invoices have been received. As far as education and experience, they'd like you to have an associate's degree or higher education preferred. They'd like you to have 2 to 3 years experience in an accounting environment. It's a plus you have knowledge of Oracle, and they'd like you to be comfortable using Microsoft Office. They'd like you to be proficient with Microsoft Excel. You have excellent verbal and written communication skills as well as excellent attention to detail, and you need to be able to work independently. So this job has the potential to pay $23 per hour. If you like this one, you can find the direct link below. This is job number 2. The third and final remote AP job comes to us from Babylist. They're a baby registry. And they're looking for a senior accounts payable specialist. And I'm going to scroll down this job lead to show you they'll pay between $69,720 and $104,580 per year, which comes to between $33.52 and $50.27 per hour. In this job, you'll ensure that all expenses, invoices, and payments are processed in a timely and accurate manner in accordance with the company's policies and procedures. You'll oversee the three-way match process, do some invoice processing and reconciliation. You'll also do some vendor setup and communication, which means you'll manage the vendor setup process, including verifying vendor information and maintaining accurate records in the accounts payable system. You'll communicate with vendors to resolve invoice discrepancies and handle payment inquiries effectively. You'll do some expense reimbursement and payment processing. You'll generate and analyze accounts payable reports, including aging reports and vendor performance reports, and present those findings to management. You'll also ensure compliance with internal controls, company policies, and regulatory requirements. You'll assist with month-end closing activities, identify and lead efforts to improve accounts payable processes, and manage the team of junior accounts payable staff. They're looking for someone who has at least 4 years of experience with accounts payable, preferably in a senior level role. You have proven experience with inventory management, and you have experience with managing and overseeing invoice discrepancies. You're an out-of-the-box thinker with impeccable problem-solving skills, and you're able to demonstrate the ability to accurately perform month-end close duties. And they tell us dropship vendor management is your specialty. So this is our third remote accounts payable job. It pays between $69,720 and $104,580 per year. If you like this one, you can find the direct link below. This is job number 3. So we just went over 3 remote accounts payable positions. We have an entry-level one, we have a mid-level one, and we have a senior level job. Hopefully one of them works out for you, but if you're looking for something else, check out this video right here. Maybe one of those jobs will work for you. Good luck to all of you who apply, and as always, thank you so much for visiting, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.